This algorithmic trading bot has been making me $1,000 per week on complete autopilot, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. What's up? My name is Nico Moreno. If you are brand new, I'm excited to have you here checking out the channel, and if you're a returning viewer, I love you just the same. So let's go ahead and let's just get started. So I'm going to show you what my algorithmic trading bot is. This is essentially a Forex bot. So if you're familiar with Forex, this is an automated, essentially an automated trading robot. And I'm also going to show you, if you do want to also use the same bot that I'm using, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right in. By the way, real quick before we get into it, I've been getting a ton of traction and a lot of people like signing up and wanting to join to use this passive trading Forex bot. So if that sounds like you, again, I encourage you to check out this whole video and see if it's right for you. I also have a few other videos. That's where people have been applying to join. But yeah, if you like this video and you like what you see and you want to use this bot too, you can actually do that. So I'm allowing people to join as a beta member. This is going to be the lowest price that it is ever offered at. So yes, there is a fee to actually sign up because I'm providing a valuable service to people, and usually that just people pay for that. So it is I think it's a very, very fair price for what you get. But yeah, again, there's no pressure. Just check out the link down below, the Google form, if you do want to apply, and it'll just take you through some questions. You just submit it, and then if you get approved, I will tell you what the next steps are, how to pay the fee, and then how to get started. So yeah, if you're interested, link is going to be down below. So let's just dive right into the video. So this has been pretty cool, guys. So I know I posted a video about a week ago at this point, and I was saying in general I had been making about 2,000 to 3,000, or excuse me, not 2,000 to 3,000 a day. That would be amazing. 200 to 300 a day with the bot, and yeah, so about at this point it's been like roughly the same. Some days have actually been really, really good, and I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. Here is one of my trading terminals, essentially. Let me make myself a little bit smaller here. And yeah, so this is one of the trading terminals right here. I have the top part cut off because it has a little bit of like sensitive information. And where do I put myself? Here we go. I'll just go over here. So yeah, I have the top part of the screen cut off because it has like some sensitive data up there. But other than that, basically this is the trading bot. So you can see right here, I'm going to show you essentially, so this trading bot trades like really only one symbol. So it is the Great British Pound and USD currency pair. Okay, so you'll see like all of the trades are GBP USD, which essentially means, yeah, it's just trading that one currency pair. This is a Forex bot. So if you're not familiar with Forex, it's essentially, it's currency trading. So unlike cryptocurrency, where it's all these cryptocurrency like coins and tokens and meme coins and whatnot, Forex trading is different because it really utilizes like the major currencies of different major countries around the world, right? So Great British Pound is GBP, USD is obviously dollar. You can trade other things like indices and like gold, for example, but by and large, Forex revolves around trading the major currencies of the world: New Zealand dollar, euro, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, yen, things like that. But you'll see, yeah, this bot is specifically just trading Great British Pound USD only. So if you zoom in, it's a little bit hard to see. I tried to zoom in as much as I possibly could. But you can see right here, these are actually, I'll explain what we're looking at on the screen. So this is like the price right here. This really thick green line is like the price movement, basically. I mean, if you look at any trading graph of literally anything, there's obviously like, there's a line and it's kind of like going up and down usually, right? So that's what this is for GBP USD, but you'll see there's like lines and arrows and stuff across that are going like kind of like flat, right? So I'll explain what those are. Basically, you'll see right here, I don't know if you can read that. It says sell 0.4 at 1.26815. So basically, this means that this dotted green line, that is where a sell order was opened by the bot. So you can see right here, it is this little red arrow right here indicates that an order was opened right there. Okay. So that's what that means. You can see earlier in the day, or let's see, yeah, 25th of June. So earlier today, the bot, yeah, you can see it says auto trade. The bot opened a order right here at this arrow, but it was already closed right here at this blue arrow. So that's actually a trade that was already closed. And then you'll see right here, like you can see all the profit trades. So usually, it depends on the day. But yeah, so this is kind of when it starts. Those were like balance transfers. Yeah, you can see like, trades that closed. All of the blue ones are profit. And then the red ones, you'll see a loss here and there, but nothing too, nothing too catastrophic really. So you'll see right here, profit has been over $1,000. So this is the actual profit right here. You see the 1,020. That's because of that loss right there. That ate into the profit a little bit. But yeah, so this is kind of how that all works. Again, this is the history tab. It'll show you like all of the closed trades and also like what percentage of your account, it'll show you like the percent change as well. And yeah, so if we actually hop on over to the statistics page, this is a tool called MyForexFunds, which is, it's like basically an analytics tool that will allow you to see in pretty granular detail, like the details of your account and like what's going on. And this is actually a third-party tool. It's a free tool. Really recommend it, but basically it lets you see all these cool graphs and statistics about your account. For 7 days is 5%. That is pretty freaking good. I'm happy with that. And then you'll see, yeah, profit has been $1,000, $1,020 in the past 7 days. Totally hands-free. I have not done any of the trades myself. The robot is doing it all on its own. All right. So I know this was probably a clickbait title, I'm assuming, but clickbait, this was not actually clickbait because clickbait is something that doesn't deliver on the promise in the title, and this actually delivers. So I stand by it. But yeah, let's take a little closer look at the statistics here. So for this one, you can see, I guess it hasn't closed any trades today. That's something to be aware of too. Not every single day is it going to close trades, but sometimes it's going to have like bigger days than others. Like last week, I think I had a day where it closed like $400 worth. And then, as you can see, today it's not closed any. So that's okay. It will go up and down a little bit, but overall, since I started it 7 days ago, it has profited $1,000. So that's not too shabby. Yeah, and again, right here, you can go see, and you can see like more statistics for those of you who are kind of like nerdy like me and you want to see all the granular details. You can actually see very, very granular details. So this is for people maybe once you get a little bit more advanced. Yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to show you. I just really wanted to show you, another update of how this one account in particular. And again, I actually have several accounts. So this one has done, $1,000 in the past week. I have another one right here. It's done $700 in the past week. That's closed $164 today. So in this one I funded, let's see here. I think it started on June 20th. Is when it started, which is 5 days ago. So this one has done, $700 in 5 days. So we're getting close to $2,000 in the past week from these two accounts combined. So that's pretty freaking cool. Like, I'm excited about that. I'm excited about this. I hope you are excited about this too. Again, if you would like to apply to utilize this bot, you can absolutely do that. Again, this is going to be the lowest price it's ever going to be. Highly encourage you, if you're interested, to apply. You can learn more if your application is approved. And then we already have some people getting started, and they're using the bot. So they're getting results, growing their accounts, and yeah, this compounds, by the way. So if you don't understand how compounding works, you can watch my previous video where I explain exactly how compound interest works. And this is a vehicle that actually does leverage essentially daily compounding. So it can be extremely powerful over a long period of time. And I think this is pretty cool even over a short period of time. $160 for doing nothing. So anyways, love you guys. Come and join the free Facebook group if you want to. And yeah, check out my other videos, and I will see you guys next time.